Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you to make this Origami Yoda. And this is what it looks like. And let's get started. So to fold this Yoda, you need a 2x1 rectangle of paper. So this is half of a square. And to get two of these, you just take a regular square, and you can begin with the either side up. And we're going to fold it in half. And then let's reverse the crease. And then make a tear on the top. And then place it down and separate your hands. And there you go. You have two 2x1 rectangles. Alright, and now let's fold the Yoda. So, to make it have a green head, we're going to begin with the green side up, or in this case, the head side up. And we're going to fold in half. Okay, unfold. And now we're going to take this edge and fold it to this edge. Okay, unfold. And now take this edge and fold it to this edge now. Alright, unfold. And now turn over and fold this edge to these two creases. So these two creases hit the sides. Okay, unfold. And now we're going to turn over and we're going to make a water bomb base. So poke the middle in and bring these sides down and flatten like this. And there it is, the water bomb base. Okay. Now, we're going to take these two corners and fold them to the top. Okay, unfold. Now we're going to rotate, and we're going to take this corner and fold it up to here. Alright, unfold. Now rotate, and we're gonna lift this up like this on the crease, and then we're gonna collapse here like this, so it makes like a house shape. Okay, just like this. And let's make everything nice and sharp. Okay, now comes a tricky step. We're going to color change this house. So instead of white, we're going to make it into green. So this is how we're going to do it. So what we're going to do is we have to kind of unfold the model just to about here. And what we're going to do is we're going to invert that point like this. So push it from behind. And then that diagonal crease right here is going to be a mountain fold. Like this, and then here's the tricky move. We're going to kind of bring it back to how it was, but making that fold. So just kind of bring the water bomb base back like this. And then the idea is that this crease is going to wrap over that crease. See? Just like this. There we go. That was tricky. I hope you guys were able to do that. Okay, we have to do that tricky step on this side too. So, just kind of unfold it like this. You can let that come undone for now. And invert that corner. And then make that crease a mountain fold. And then just kind of just remake the water bomb base. Oh, you need to make sure that that's a valley right there. And then you have to kind of just remake the water bomb base like this. Just like that. Okay, that was probably the hardest step of the whole model. Okay, so there it is. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to go on this side, and let's just fold this up like this so it's out of the way. And we're gonna take this edge and we're gonna bring it to this edge. It'll probably be easier if I zoom in. There we go. And you could fold all the way across, but I'm just gonna fold it to the crease right there. But you can fold all the way across, it's fine. Alright, and unfold. And now we're gonna do another tricky step, but not quite as tricky as the step before. So what we're gonna do is we're going to unfold here. And we actually need to fold on that crease we just made. And then what we're doing is we're going to make a fold that goes from that point to there. It's a valley fold. So this is like a crimp we're making. So this is what it looks like. Okay. And then like this. And there's the crimp. Alright. And now bring it like we're gonna take this and we're gonna fold it like that. And there you go. It's not really that clean right there at the corner. Hold on. There we go. Alright, and let's repeat that process on this side. So unfold here, and let's take this raw edge and fold it to this edge. And I'm only gonna fold to the crease. You know, I'm gonna fold all the way across this time. Just in case some of you fold all the way across by accident, which is okay. I might as well too. There we go, fold it all the way across. Okay. Now, this is the tricky step here. We're gonna make a fold that goes from that intersection to that corner. It's not too tricky actually. It's just a valley fold. Alright, and make them both at the same time. And let's just yeah, if you make them both like this, just make it like that and pinch. There we go, like that. I shouldn't have made that little fold earlier. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna color change the head. And let's see. Oh, there we yeah. Sorry about that. We're gonna take this corner and fold it up to here. There we go. I got kind of confused at the moment. Okay, but yeah, we got the head color change, but we have to color change the ears too. And this is also a tricky step, but not too bad. So here's how we're gonna do it. So we have to kind of unfold it like this. And let's unfold these creases, and we actually need to reverse these two creases we just made, that crimp. So those two diagonals are gonna be mountain folds this time. Like this. And then make that rabbit ear like that. And then that's gonna be this horizontal crease that goes under it is gonna be a valley fold. Okay. And then just bring everything back like this. Alright, and repeat on this side. So just undo that crimp we did and just reverse the creases. Two diagonals are mountain folds, and also that crease too. And the horizontal one under it is a valley fold. And then just bring it back to how it was, like this. Just like that. Alright. Now all the rest of the steps are a lot easier than this. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold this up, and we're folding this edge beyond this edge. And it doesn't matter how far you fold it up, just fold it up about like this. There's not really any reference. But yeah, about like that. Now take this corner and we're gonna fold it, aligning with the edge behind it. Or actually, you could probably go like a millimeter further. That makes it a little bit easier, I think. And the same on this side too. Okay, and then let's fold those two flaps inside. Alright, and then stick the flap underneath. Like that. Alright, and we're just about done. We just need to make the body part. So turn over, and we're gonna fold this up how much? We're estimating thirds, and this doesn't need to be exact, but we're just folding it so this part is equal to that part. And do make sure the edge aligns with itself. Okay, and then rotate and fold this up. Yeah, my thirds weren't exact because this edge is not exactly up to the top, but that's okay. Close enough is good. Alright, and take this edge and fold it to this edge. And same on this side, so just pull that flap out and fold this up. Okay, now that looks kind of tall, so there is a way to shorten it if you want. So just unfold here, and let's fold this up. I'm gonna fold it up about like this. This just depends on how tall or short you want it. And then remake those make those folds we did. Alright, and there, that looks better. So, there it is. And if you want, you can make a mountain fold here to suggest a leg. And it can go up to the edge right there. And the same here too. There to taste. And once you do that, your Origami Yoda is all done. I actually remember I did teach some other yogas in the past, like in the past years. So you can go check those tutorials out. Oh, yep, there it is, it stands. How awesome is that? So yeah, there it is. Alright, well, hope you guys were able to follow this video and enjoyed making this Origami Yoda. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later.